Hey guys, it's Jack from Kapwing, and yes, I do have a bunch of strange marks on my face because I just was doing VR for 2 hours. Don't worry about it. You may have seen something called velocity edits recently, where videos or fan cams speed up or slow down to the beat of the music, creating a cool visual effect. And a lot of people want to know how you can do this without downloading apps. And today I'm going to show you how to do this completely free and completely online, so you don't have to download any apps using our free online video editor, Kapwing. So first, find the video that you want to become a velocity edit and keep on watching. Okay, hey guys, so the first thing you're gonna do is click the first link in the description. It'll take you to kapwing.com, and then you're going to sign in, and you can sign in a few different ways, and it'll just make it so that when you export your video, you don't have a watermark. All right, then when you're in your workspace, you're just going to create new content, and then here you're able to upload any footage that you may have. You can also paste in a link to a video. Okay, awesome, then I have my video in here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to play a little bit, and then I'm going to click the split button right here, or you can click the S button on your keyboard, and I'm going to move it down a bit and do the same thing again. Then I'm going to take this clip that is split on both sides, and then I'm going to play it with the speed. So I can either speed it up or slow it down. I'm going to do both of these several times in this video to create a velocity edit. So first I'm going to slow it down. I'll go around 50%. So you can see he's a little slow, then he'll go back to normal, and then I will split it again, and split it again, and then I'll click this video and make it faster. Let's say 1.75 times. And I'll just keep doing this process. So I'll speed it up again right here. And yeah, so now you can see that it goes between slow motion right here, and then it'll speed up and get very fast, and that's part of the velocity edit. The other part that you need is sort of a fade effect in between that creates sort of this like woozy feeling. So once you've done all your cuts and speed changes, then you're going to click on the videos, and then you can click the animate button in the top here, and then you can choose the fade button. I prefer the fade intro only, and I prefer to do it only on the ones that are slow. So I'll do it again here. And you can see it sort of flashes and fades in. You also can change the animation speed, so if you want it to be slower fade, then you can do that. And there we have it. Then we have this velocity edit. So it starts at normal speed, then it goes slow, kind of woozy, and then starts to speed up again, goes super fast, and then slow again. Now you're also able to add any audio that you want. So you can go to the audio tab on the left here, and then you can choose any of the music that we have here that's royalty free, or you can also paste in a link here, and then you can apply any song that you want. I'll just go ahead and use one of these, move my cursor to where I want the music to place, and then place it. And then at the end of here, when the video ends, I will just split it and delete. And then when you're done with the video, you can click export video. As you can see, it is now processing, and then when you're done, the download button will light up, and you can just click it and download it straight to your computer. All right guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to join an online community of modern creators. Also check out our Discord so you can chat with other Kapwingers and the Kapwing staff like me, and I'll see you guys in the next one.